How to install APK files on your Windows 11 laptop without an emulator. This tutorial shows you how to run Android apps directly using a built-in feature. First, click the Start button. Type Turn Windows Features on or off and open it. After that, check the boxes for Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Hypervisor Platform. From there, click OK, then restart your PC. At this point, open the Microsoft Store. Search for Amazon App Store and click Get to install it. In the next step, this also installs Windows Subsystem for Android in the background. Following this, once installed, open Windows Subsystem for Android from the Start menu. Toggle on Developer Mode. Once done, open the APK file you want to install by double-clicking it in File Explorer. Keep in mind, not every Android app works perfectly this way, since some apps with heavy DRM or streaming restrictions may not run correctly. Finally, once installed, find the app in your Start menu and pin it for quick access anytime. And that's it. If this guide helped you install APK files on Windows 11 without an emulator, give it a like, subscribe for more PC tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.